and welcome to another episode of Mhelbeth's Table. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang napakasarap na kakanin from the Philippines. Miss na miss ko na ito guys, kaya kahit hindi ako pwedeng magluto sa labas dahil winter pa, I will cook this inside the house into the oven. I know guys, miss na miss nyo na rin ito. Alright, so ang gagawin natin today is special tupig. At ito na ang mga ingredients. I have here my glutinous rice. I will just post the exact measurement of all the ingredients. Okay. And also I'll add in the coconut milk. And I have here shredded langka and Macapuno strings, sugar, so we will just mix it all up together. Okay, this is good enough guys. Now we are ready to put it onto the banana leaves. I'll just put a little bit oil in here and then put 1 tablespoon. Alright guys, I heat up my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, here it is. I made this. I put it on the rock. And I'm gonna put it inside. Oops, be careful, it's hot. So we will bake this for about 30 minutes. 15 for both sides, okay?
Okay.
Alright guys, so we have to turn our tupigs. Okay, babaliktarin natin sila and then we will bake again for another 15 minutes. Alright guys, after 15 minutes I changed my setting into broil and I'm gonna watch it because I don't want my tupig to be burned. Okay, it will take maybe about 5 minutes more. Ayan guys, isang napakasarap na merienda na naman ang hatid sa inyo ng Mhelbeth's Table. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video in my channel. Thank you so much. Until next time again.